Hello friend, today I'm going to teach you how to operate and how to use laptop, how to shut down laptop, how to open laptop. Lot of thing. If you don't know anything about the laptop, please watch full video. You will learn basic of the laptop. Before I start the video, if you have come first time my channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon. When I make a video, you will get the notification. Let's start. See, I have a Dell brand laptop. You can see this is in my hand. This is called laptop. You will see different kind of laptop in the market. HP brand laptop is there, Acer brand laptop is there, Lenovo, but I have a Dell brand laptop. You see this is a laptop. First of all, I tell you the basic of this thing. This is called screen. You know, this is called a screen. It's come in the 14 inch, it's come in the 15 inch. I have a laptop that come with the 15 inch. You see the screen, okay? And this we use this is called the touch pad. As you use a mouse, there are two buttons, one is the left button, one is the right button. Same here is the two buttons are there, one is the left button, one is the right button. It's like a mouse. This is a keyboard, you see this thing, okay? This is a keyboard, and the laptop you will get the inbuilt battery. Inbuilt battery means you will get the battery backup with this laptop. In the computer you do not get the battery backup, but this you will get the battery backup, okay? Now I tell you how to start the laptop. First of all, see, this is a charger. You see, this is a charger. This is a charger. As you charge your mobile phone, same way you can charge your laptop also, because you know I just make it on here and I connect the charger in the laptop port, okay? When connected with this thing and I on this, you see the light over there. All the laptop has the on off button, okay? So I have just on over there and the light is there. You can see this light is there. Now I on the power button. If I want to start the laptop without charger, so I can do also, because there is an inbuilt battery. The battery is charged, you can use it. Now I have removed the charger from the laptop. Now I'm going to press the button. As you have any brand laptop, you will see the power button in any laptop. See, there is a power button over there, okay? When I press the button, you see one light is blinking over there, okay? So see, this is light blinking. Now it's a Dell logo is there and laptop is getting on. It means its booting sequence started. It takes some time to start the laptop. You see rotation is going on and laptop is booting. It's take sometime 30 seconds, sometime 15 seconds. It is on. Wait for some time. When this screen come out, this screen called the desktop or this screen called the wallpaper. I press it here and it will ask for the password. I have a password in my laptop. That laptop is asking for the password. If there is no password in the laptop will directly open. Now I have put the password in this. That is why I have to insert the password. Now the password of my laptop is this. I put the password and I press enter. Now laptop open. You will see the first window over there. You see this is the laptop is on, or this is called the wallpaper. This is called the desktop. You see, this is called the desktop, okay? And second thing, and this is called, see, this is called the icon. You see 1 2 3 4 5 6 lot of a thing over there is this is called the icon. It means that a shortcut key over there. You want to open anything in the laptop, simply click on that. You see when I moving this place, you see this is when I'm moving, something moving here. This is called the cursor, is the arrow key over there. See, my finger is sensing this and this is moving, okay? If suppose I have to open this file, I have to open this one, so I have to take this cursor to this. See, I take this like this, I take this here, okay? Now it's selected and I click double tap on this will open. You see, you have to press the hit on that will open, okay? See, this is like a mouse. When I move it and when I want to close this window, you have to take this here, simply this cross over there. You see cross is there. Take the cursor on this and click on the cross, that will close, okay? This is called the icon and the whole window is called the desktop. Did you understand that? Okay. And now you see this is the line over there. You see this is the line. This is called the taskbar. Note down if you want to note that this is called the taskbar. And this laptop is installed with the Windows 10. Windows 10 what? There are different kind of operating system in the market. Windows is made by Microsoft. You know the Microsoft is a very big company that make operating system, and different company also there, like a Linux is there, like a Unix is there, and Apple company. itself make a operating system that is called Macintosh. So I have a laptop that is a operating system Windows 10. You may have a laptop that installed with the Windows 7. You may have a laptop installed with the Windows 8, Windows 10 or Windows 11. Latest operating system is Windows 11. See, operating system is that this is a hardware device. Okay, this is a hardware device. I'm a human being. When I want to talk with this hardware, there me to see the communication. There means to be some kind of source which I can talk with the hardware. That is called operating system. Operating system is a thing which understand my language and teach that hardware. Suppose if I want to talk to you, how I'll talk? The language is important there, na? I am speaking with you, so I am using some kind of a sense, then you understand what I am saying to you. Same way in the laptop, when I am trying to talk with the laptop, there is a called operating system. Operating system is a different version, already told you. Now you see, this is a wallpaper icon, this is taskbar. See, now you want to use a program. First of all, when you use a laptop, you have to be updated in the keyboard, you have to be expert in the touchpad, then is the first starting of this thing. This is the thing. One more thing, I tell you one thing. You see this is here is a web camera. Sometime you want to do the online class, sometime you want to do the video calling. So there is always you find a web camera in the laptop, and nearby you will find a small hole over there. This is called the microphone. See, you need not to connect differently. The microphone is this hole is called the microphone, and this is the web camera. Okay, this is the thing, basic information is there. Now you want to use typing or to do, so you have to take the cursor here, here you take the cursor here and click type here, NOTE, note. The one thing will come that is called notepad. This is starting of the laptop learning. Click on the notepad, you will click on the notepad, this window will open. See, this is here the window like this. When you click on this window will increase, it will become the big. Now you first thing is that you learn here typing. Whatever you want to type, whatever you want to do, where you can notepad, you can do the typing. Suppose I do my name is Jogendra. See, so I can type here. You want to save it, lot of a thing I will day by day I will teach you. So I have type over there. Someone want to do the caps, someone want to type in the capital letter, someone want to type in the small letter. See, all the letter you see is the small letter. Now I want to talk a capital letter. There is a one button on the keyboard that is caps lock. You see over there, you see this is a light is off. When I press this button, the light will on. Okay, light is on. Now I will type anything that will be in capital letter. See, I am going to type my name is Jogendra. Okay, now you can see this is a capital letter. Okay, again I press this caps lock, then it will start typing in the small letter. See, when I start doing this, is typing in small letter. See, one thing is that, and second thing you see there here in the keyboard, you see there is a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But on this you will get the 2 mark over there. The sign is 4 over there and sign is dollar over there. If you want to type here a dollar, so you want to type here a dollar, if you press this button, that will type only 4. You see, pressing this button is typing only 4. But you want to type a dollar, so you have to press the shift button. You see, shift 1, and then you type this 4 button, that will dollar sign will come. See, when I press this, it's a dollar sign is coming. So, okay, so 2 main important key over there. One is the caps lock and one is the shift button. By pressing a caps lock, you can type the capital letter. By pressing a shift and button, you will type the alternate number. You can see. So suppose you want to just erase, you want to delete this something. So there is a one button is that backspace. You see, this is the backspace. You press on this thing, the dollar. You see, I am deleting. I am just going back to this, and you can delete this thing. Okay, this is a basic thing I want to tell you. So now you have done everything. Now you want to save this thing. So click here, file, and then you can save it. Otherwise, I don't want to save it. Okay, click here on the cross button. See, here is the cross button, close option is there. It's asking for that. Do you want to save the change and title? No, I don't want to save anything because I'm learning. So don't save, click. Okay, now this is first lesson of how to use a laptop. Okay, and suppose you want to use a pen drive in this. So now there is a USB slot over there. You see the USB slot there. In this slot you can connect the pen drive. You can use a pen drive. Okay, and second thing is you will see the writer. You want to use a CD and DVD. So you can insert a DVD or CD. This is small CD or DVD, or larger CD or DVD you can insert over there. Small you want to do, you can insert here. Okay, that will also come it. Now it's time to come how to close the laptop. Directly I cannot close the laptop. There is a way to shut down the laptop. The way to shut down the laptop is that you have to press here over there. You see sign over there. You have to take a cursor here. You see this, you have to take cursor over there, click on start. When you click, so then you will see the one button over there. It's a, see, now you have to take the cursor over there and now have to click over there. Now you see when click over there, it's come as shutdown option. See, you have to shut down it. Shut down means you have to close the laptop. If you restart, if you click on the restart, the system will, laptop will restart. It will shut down and at same time it will restart. So I have to do shutdown. So now you have to press the shutdown button. Okay, now it's shut down. The laptop is shutting down. You can see still there is a power. Wait some time, the system will shut down over there. That is the way you can do, and you can start the laptop by pressing this. By clicking on that, you can shut down the laptop. So I think this is a very informative video, and if you do not know anything about the laptop, you must have learned something from this. And if you want to see this kind of video more and more, please subscribe and please support me dosto. If you like this, please comment it. And I am from India. I say namaste to all of you.